Today I will tell you the tips that you can follow to get at least 7 to 8 band in writing task 1. So IELTS academic task 1, which means report writing, we have to focus only on like few areas. Okay, and first we need to get that area where we can get the good bands. So many students don't know about that how they can get score in task 1. So I will tell you that first, that in task 1 you will get score by 4 steps. The first one would be for task achievement. Task achievement means you have to write at least 150 to 180 words. Second one would be that connector and compound, which means we have to use enough connector, and this would be 10 to 12. The third one would be lexical resource, which means we have to use advanced vocab. And the fourth one would be that grammar and sentence. Like while writing your task 1 or report writing, you need to keep only few things in your mind. If the question is being asked about past, so try to write all the things in past tenses. So you can use either past simple or past perfect. If the question is asking about something future or present, then go with the present tenses or future tenses. So I would suggest you to use probably passive voice in report writing, because that can give you directly 1 band. Next, if I talk about task 2 of IELTS academic, so in that also we have to follow the structure. The structure would be always focusing on your introduction, because introduction is very important part for task 2. Even in introduction we have to follow like 3 steps. Always start with the general statement. General statement means look after that theme of that questions. So start with the general statement, then try to paraphrase the questions. So you don't need to write that whole question in it, but try to just paraphrase in very short way. The third one would be thesis. That is that very and the most important part for that introduction of task 2, because thesis would be defined as that you are going to discuss about 2-side essay, 1-sided essay, or what you are going to decide, like whether you are agree, disagree, whatever the question that you get. So most probably we have to focus on that area. So if you write an essay which is being asked for write 2-side things, like discuss both things, so try to write thesis like this essay will be discuss both views, okay, or both notions along with the conclusion and along with the suitable suggestion. And then just move to the body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So in body paragraph 1, if you will get 2-sided essay, so in body para 1, try to write advantages of that passage, or just try to write one opine or one opinion in it. In body paragraph 2, you can write disadvantages, or as one-sided, you can write your second opinion or adding points. And at the last, in conclusion, always try to pick 1 and 2 strong lines that you have written either in B1 and B2, and then give suggestion to it. Thank you.